Hi, and welcome to another unboxing video. And today we have with us the Nike Court Vintage Premium uh, 10.5 US, and that's equivalent to UK 9.5. But before I start unboxing, I just wanted to talk about people who buy fake shoes, fake sneakers. And when I ask them why they do that, they give me the reason that brands like Nike, Adidas are really costly, and then they go and buy some fake sneakers which cost about 100 ringgit, and which doesn't last for for more than 2-3 months, and you might as well go for something like this. And I got this at a huge discount from JD Sports. Okay, I got a free bag as well from JD Sports for just 169 ringgit. Okay, it's a really nice, and this is leather. Nike, the classic look. Where is it made? Made in Vietnam. So it says Nike sports shoes are manufactured to the exact specification of champion athletes throughout the world. The Nike name and swoosh stripe are your guarantee of quality. Made in Vietnam. Okay. It says engineered for everyday comfort inside. Nice. The other one. As you are probably aware by now, I like black sneakers, though I do occasionally buy other colors as well. There are holes here, 2 holes. Nike. Nice stitching. Quite not heavy. Not that heavy for leather sneakers. Alright, thank you.